There's two definitions of progress in play at the same time. And this has resulted in a lot of confusion. I hope by articulating what the confusion's about that this helps you. Definition one is designed to answer this question. How are this year's 7th graders doing compared to last year's 7th graders? This is sometimes called cross-sectional views of progress based on snapshots at a point in time and a point in time a year later. The second definition, how's the graduating class of 2023 doing compared to their results in prior years? What are we measuring now? It's not a grade level and the change in kids flowing through grade levels one year after another. It's taking the kids in this grade level, keeping this cohort of kids more or less intact aside from migration to the next year and the year after that, and giving us a view that isn't perfectly longitudinal because it's not exactly the same kids, but it is more or less stable. So we call it quasi-longitudinal, and it's based on graduating class cohorts progress over time.